Right, well, hi, I am the Rhythmic Biker, and I hope you are all safe. I hope you are all well. I'm also very cold and a tad wet, but hey, that's the weather. What are we doing today? Today we're off to go there. Today we're off to go see Darren at HBB Motorcycles. Right after this chap in front of me figures out what on earth he is doing, and I let him get a bit of a gap to me. Yes, we're going to see Darren at HBB Motorcycles. It's full service, MOT, and also insurance renewal day. Now, the insurance renewal has nothing to do with Darren, but the full service and the MOT, very much Darren's business. So let's get over there and let's get started. Let's get ripping into stuff. I got to do spark plugs today. On the ZZR1400, that is a notoriously long and unnecessarily difficult job. But hey ho, let's give it a go.
Hopefully I won't forget to plug the indicator wire in this time.
Oh, I was about to say, mate, I could do with it.
See this framework? This here, it's on both sides on the other one. All this stuff's all in the way, look.
Bloody hell, there's a lot on, isn't there? This time we'll remember though to plug it in. Oh, is that my air filter, is it? Yeah.
Ready.
Oh,
before
and after. That one's got to be what, 160 you reckon? Yeah, at least 160. That might be pushing on the...
No, that's a 30 miles an hour
one. That's 30 because he's still intact, isn't he? But these lot, oh.
That's leave me alone. Nice and clean.
That does look nice and clean, doesn't it? That's much better. Let's get that in.
That's old Bullseye said, in one!
In one!
Oh, I've had this bucket 25 years. That's weak. Look how weak that is. Bloody hell. Hulk! Hulk weak! Yeah, that's really weak, that is.
That's what my test looks like after mango Morocco.
So what's that magnetic sub-bolt, is it? Fucking hell. Decent, that is. Great idea.
Fucking hell, GTR that never ever play up.
Yeah.
Fucking mate, he rang me yesterday, been fucking about with his clutch. But now there's no fairings on for any noises to resonate off of them.
Yeah, so now...
now's the time. You change the oil,
yep.
So you took the oil noise, you've got quality oil in there.
Quality oil.
So you're listening for the tap in,
yep.
the revs to hunt.
Yeah, for them to go either massively up or whatever, just to see any sort of timing issue whatsoever. Awesome.
Your ears don't lie.
Your ears don't lie.
Unless you're...
Unless you're deaf.
Or you've got a bike that don't go.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, common on these, the top, that's for your fuel, that's for the air. There's two lots of butterflies.
The
top one's the one where you take the top butterflies out because the top one only opens up about 50 or 70%, I can't remember what it is now.
Okay.
But if you take them out, it's just all the air goes in.
Do you reckon the bloke who will do the mapping, do you reckon he'll take him out, you reckon? Yeah, why not if he's there?
There's no tapping.
No.
There's no coughing.
No.
There's no splattering.
It's quite happy.
Yeah, it's not revving up, it's not revving down. I'll go around the other side. Like I say, by all means, any mechanic will be quite happy to charge a 300 quid
to take it all apart.
You've got to get to this stage, then the radiator's got to come off.
Yep.
There's a baronet all in the front, all this stuff's all got to come off. Then eventually get in there, take the rubber cap off. Take the rocker cover off.
Yep.
Every time the that comes off, you've got to buy a new gasket. That's about 70 quid.
70 for the gasket?
Yeah,
oh my god.
Yeah. And then, like I say, but when you're checking the valve clearances, it has to be sat for a minimum of 8 hours.
Really?
So the metal state is back to its original. I forget what the terminology is. It's not meteorology. What do they call it? I forget what it's called. But yeah, it's original sort of. Yeah.
Molecular level.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then that's when you check them.
Okay, fair enough.
Like I say,
no, you're quite happy with how that sounds. Quite happy with how that idles.
Yeah, like I say, I mean personally, if someone said to me, yeah, it's 300 quid.
Yeah.
I just thought, why would you waste fucking money?
Why would you waste 300 quid if you can hear it? Yeah.
And when your bike's out of sight, how do you know yourself someone's took all this off?
Yeah.
Unless it's someone like me who takes photos of everything.
Of course, yeah.
There's no popping back through the.
No, we can't hear it at all.
No, there's nothing. There's no hesitating out the exhaust, no popping out the exhaust.
So you just think the whole thing would be a total waste of practice? Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah, 1,000,000%. Obviously, you're an approved dealer, aren't you? So
No, unapproved dealer.
unapproved dealer.
What do you want to say?
Unapproved dealer. Kawasaki with the wallpapers.
Brake pad stop.
Officially unofficial. I like that.
Brake pad stop at the top.
Oh
starts
yeah,
with Kawasaki's.
look at that. All starts with Kawasaki's here. That's the way it's got to be. There's Kawasaki shit everywhere, isn't there?
Green.
Green. Everything's green.
Green. Green.
It's no with Darren, even his blood's green.
Even his blood. Cut him
More to do
open.
with syphilis than anything.
Cut him open and he bleeds Kawasaki
Chris
green.
Walker.
Red.
Green. Chris Walker sign tank. Green.
Look at that.
Fucking Kawasaki clock.
Clock green.
Oh, hang on, I ain't finished. He fucking drilled in there, green.
Green.
And it's fucking, just to top it all off.
Oh yeah, that's how you know it's officially unofficial, isn't it? Right there, when you got Kawasaki Racing. It's been an enjoyable experience, hasn't it, Daz?
Fucking glory hunter.
It's alright, Daz. I'll do your job for you, mate.
Thank you ever so
Yeah,
much.
it's alright, buddy.
You are one of them.
Yeah. Well, I won't lie, this is really stiff. I'm struggling. Oh my god, why is that so stiff?
I've got a funny thing, you might have cross-threaded it.
I reckon I have as well. You should see how stiff that is to do.
What's that sound? What's that sound? Your jumper?
Rhythmic.
I'm not a mechanic biker.
Just gonna leave that there, I reckon. Yeah, you can take that, mate. You're all good.
Strip the Fred. That's your new nickname.
That's the new strip the thread. Good luck with that one. Good luck with that.
Poked it in the eye, you know? And here we have the Glory Hunter.
The Glory Hunter. And just like that, everyone.
Is that the last one?
That is the last one.
You know what, you are really good at your job.
I really am. And that is how you fully service a Kawasaki ZZR1400, done by yours truly. Right, good day. Go get a cuppa. Yeah, we're all good. So there might be a reason why you can't get the clutch engaged all the way. Daz, if you just twist. Yeah, that looks a lot better, doesn't it? Heated grips, mate. Install them properly, do it right, don't suffer. All right, so we are out and about. We are rocking and rolling back out on the road. Weather's not great, although, yeah, it wasn't this morning. Why would it be now? Full service and MOT is done. Happy to report that it has passed another MOT with no advisories. I don't believe my ZZR's ever had an advisory on an MOT, which is beautiful to see. Yeah, the full service is all good. I've had spark plugs, four new spark plugs. God, they are so expensive, aren't they, nowadays, spark plugs? I think I've paid about 70-80 quid for a set of the good ones. I don't know what they are. Darren does all that for me. They're really difficult to reach on this bike, as well as you might have seen. They're a bit of a fiddly job, but yeah, you have to really strip it down. But yeah, all good, can't complain too much. Coolant change, and that desperately needed doing, because my goodness was the coolant weak. Oh boy, was it weak. No reason, no surprise that this thing occasionally relies on its fan. And yeah, check the brakes, they're all good. But yeah, did a bit of brake fluid, why not, you're there. Chain and sprocket, good, they're already good, although saying that I do that myself. I keep it adjusted and keep it cleaned and all that jazz. So yeah, once again, happy with that. yeah, but I'm just happy. I don't know if we did anything else. We checked for valve clearance because these are due a valve clearance at 24,000 miles. I do love Darren at HBB Motorcycles. He won't do work for the sake of doing work. He won't just do it just to get a bit of money in his back pocket. He has to justify it. So he's listened to the tappets. You heard him. I think I'll include that video of him listening to the bike and telling me whether it needed the valve clearance or not. He reckons it doesn't, so I'm happy. Yeah, so we'll see what it's like, maybe in like 10k or whatever. Who knows anymore what the future lies. But yes, it's all good and I'm all happy. And in a few minutes, although my phone actually is probably ringing now, my insurance company are going to ring me so I can renew the insurance. It's all happening today. So before we depart Dunstable, let me just give a big thank you and a big shout out to Darren at HBB Motorcycles, the best in the game. Wouldn't trust anyone else with my ZZR1400. And yeah, thank you so much, Darren. You're an absolute legend for getting me in today and getting it all done in a timely manner and at a reasonable price as well. So HBB Motorcycles, if you're in the local area, Buckinghamshire, Bedfordshire, Hertfordshire, I would highly recommend HBB Motorcycles, Darren. Right, I'm going to end this up. I'm going to wrap this all up. Not really sure what this video has been, but yes, I have to plug the TikTok. So TikTok at TheRhythmicBiker. Go follow me on Instagram at TheRhythmicBiker. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, anything at all, I'd love to hear from you guys. Whack it down in the comments. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so already. It would help me out a great deal. But whatever you do, have a lovely weekend, and hopefully you'll pop by to one of my videos again soon. And until the next time then, cheers.